a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Your friends chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. You make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me. Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Leaving your affection for me at home. Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me.
Alright y'all, so I've obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing, one thing I love about Ywigs is they always send me the information ahead of time. Like come through with the come through. You guys know the Virgo and me love that. Okay. But anyways, the wig that I am wearing, the length of it is 20 inches. The density is 150%. The hair color is as image, and I'll put the image somewhere on the screen at some point so you guys can see what I mean by as image. And the lace color is transparent, and you know your girl loves some transparent lace. Like, honey, where that? Girl, where that? Okay, so it says on their site, once I click on it, it says middle part highlighted deep wave 13 by 6 T-part wig with 6. I don't know what that means, yeah, but that's what they got on here. I think this is 6. It says 6, maybe it's 6TH5. Like, I don't know. So it says the lengths available with this unit is 16 to 24 inches. All of those being even numbers. The densities available is 150 and 180. And it says hair color as image, as I stated earlier. The cap size is average, which is 22 to 22.5 inches. And the lace is transparent. So this unit is only available in an average cap size. And the lace is only available in transparent lace. Now, when I look at this wig, it's a little bit different because you have, even though it's a T-part wig, it is a 13 by 6 T-part wig. So it is ear to ear, and the parting space is pretty deep. So I can still part it over here if I wanted to. It's not a whole lot of space, but it is a good amount of space. So if you wanted to, you could part it elsewhere, or you can simply shift the wig to the left or the right. Now, if you do decide to shift the wig, just be mindful that it may be a little uneven on either side depending on how, you know, how far over you put it to the side. So if you move it over here, expect this side to be a little shorter. If you move it on the other side, expect this side to be a little shorter. You get what I'm saying, girl? Am I making any sense? Okay, so with this wig, they stated that I do have it in 20 inches, and it does seem to be 20 inches not stretched out. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think it would be longer if it was stretched out, or it could be 18 inches without being stretched out and 20 stretched out. I don't know, child. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think down below. But the one that they sent me, the one that I am wearing, is 20 inches. So just be mindful of that. And as far as it being big head friendly, because this unit does only come in an average cap size. So I do wear an average cap size despite my head looking big, girl. Okay, you may think I wear a large cap size because I did for the longest. I do wear an average cap size. So to me, I had to adjust the straps, and it does come with one of those pre-attached bands, like a wig grip. Meaning, I always call those the glueless bands, and I feel like I used it on the first notch, and you got 3. So I feel like you could definitely wear this wig glueless, and I was trying to show you guys at the beginning that you could wear this wig glueless as long the size always lift on me because of my ears, but you can definitely wear this wig glueless if you wanted to, just like keep the sides covered up, girl, because I kind of feel like whenever I try to put on a glueless wig, the sides are always still like, you know, I don't know. You know what I'm saying. But it does come with that little glueless strap. I feel like this wig is definitely big head friendly in my personal opinion, but I am a medium cap size, so honey, do with that what you want to do with it, girl, okay? Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I have not experienced either with this wig so far. That is not to say at some point that it won't, but straight out of the package, honey, old girl is not shedding, okay? She is not shedding, and she is not, you know what? I did brush her out, but it didn't appear to be tangly, okay? She's not tangly now, but it didn't appear to be tangly when I was brushing her out. So that, once again, is not to say at some point that it won't be. I'm just saying, girl, straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things, okay? So yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. I do also want to mention once again that this is transparent lace. Like, honey, she woke up like this. I didn't touch her. I didn't do anything to her, and I'm not doing the ball cap method. I do have on a wig cap, so you may see that. Right there, that's my wig cap. But I did not do the ball cap method, and I feel like, oh girl, still look good. Like, let me know what you think down below. Am I right or am I right, honey? Okay. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about old girl as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then girl, please continue to watch. Okay, so let me keep it a whole buck, y'all. I really didn't expect to like this wig as much as I do. I have another unit that is kind of similar, and I was like, you know, a little underwhelmed because whenever I already have a wig and I think the unit is similar, I can get like, oh, whatever, you know. But y'all, it's different. It's different. It's similar, but it's different, and I like the difference of this unit. I just think it's a really, really nice unit. The lace is phenomenal. Because if you watch me, then you know sometimes lace can be a struggle for me. Like, honey, they be making the lace a little too dark for you, girl. So when lace is too dark, I just don't feel like I can make it work. But with the transparent lace, it's really, really easy for me to make it work. And I always am excited to get a unit that has transparent lace. And honey, she was it for me. Okay, I love everything about this wig, even my ghetto baby hairs that I created. Like, sometimes I can get with the ghetto baby hairs. Now, if you don't like baby hairs, that ain't your cup of tea, honey, you ain't gotta do them. That was just something that I did, okay? Yeah, I actually made these baby hairs a little bit thicker than this, and I was able to kind of just smooth them on back in there. So if you don't want baby hairs, girl, you ain't gotta do them. I mean, I just, like I said, I know baby hairs ain't everybody's cup of tea. I get it, girl. I get it, sis. Like, no judgments here, so don't judge me, okay? But yeah, I am really, really feeling this wig. I love everything about it. I honestly reviewed another unit earlier, and I thought I was gonna go back to that wig because it had a little bit, you know, it was popping. But then I put this one on, I'm like, hold on, sis. Hold on, sis, you might be all right with just this one. You know what I'm saying? Because she's a look, she's a vibe, she is cute. I am feeling it. Now, if you are also feeling it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. But before we wrap this thing up, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check. And then, honey, that will be right. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think of this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am. The blonde is literally just mainly right here in the front. I think that is it. I mean, I can't see the back now, but if I'm not mistaken, the back, it wasn't, you know, it didn't have no blonde in it whatsoever. So I think the blonde is like literally right here in the little face, in the face framing part, and the roots are dark. So I know that's the thing with some people. Sometimes when it's these types of units, they don't like for the roots to be blonde as well, but these roots are dark, so that makes them a little bit more on the safe side. So yeah, I'm feeling it, y'all. I think she is a complete look. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Once again, shout out to Ywigs for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, just click that subscribe button. It ain't gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I am Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you